have to check out my fireplace, inside of my fireplace. The reason I did this, I didn't buy any wood this year because it wasn't going to be that cold in California. So I decided to use my faux logs that I got from LTD Commodities. I also put in, as you can see, this snowman hat that I got from At Home last year, along with some picks from the Dollar Tree. And then I just put in some of the tea lights, and these holes were already in the logs. And I kept debating whether I wanted to do darker, or leave them the way they look, kind of like birch. I think I'm going to stain them a little bit darker because I will use this throughout the year. But anyway, I wanted to show you this because I think it's kind of cool, especially if you have a fireplace. It's not a real fireplace, but you can decorate it so pretty with faux logs or just candles, LED candles. But I'm excited to decorate this throughout the year. You could do things for Valentine's or Easter, for summer, 4th of July. I think it really is going to add to decor. I just love thinking outside of the box and what you can do with something that you never even thought of before. And now it's something new to look forward to decorate. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.